Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and as you read by the title, we're going to be changing the coolant pipe on my dad's F350 2008 Ford F350 King Ranch, and we're also going to be changing the wheel bearing and the ball bearing on my dad's Ford Ranger because his tire just almost fell out going down the road, he said. Yeah, here's side. Ow! Chill! Well, there's our chopped chicken side. We're in my dad's garage, so here's the chicken. Yep, say hi. That's Cy. He only has one eye. That's why we call him Cyclops. But welcome to the video. Now, as you guys can see, I'm sitting in the wheelie chair. There's our chopped chicken, Cyclops. But here we have the wheel bearing, or the wheel and the wheel bearing already taken off. I didn't record it. My dad took them all off. Had to take the wheel off, had to take the lug nuts out, and there we go. He had to take the brake caliper out, which is how you get to the wheel bearing, and he had to measure it, and now he ran to O'Reilly's, or I don't know where he actually went, to go get a new one, because he's just going to put a new one in. So, I guess that's how you do it. There you go. There's all the parts. He had to measure it, because it's a 10.5-inch wheel. I think it's an all-in-one with the studs and everything on it. This stupid chicken. There's the brake caliper over there. All of that. So, yeah, now time to get into fixing stuff. Let's get into it.
And undo that plug, undo these clamps for the hose here. And it's got these 4 bolts that's got to come out.
Oh, I see. So, sorry for not talking so much in this video, but right now we are he's taking out the bolts to take out the intercooler pipe that this Ford came with stock. So, that's how we're deleting this, by straight piping it, which allows better flow, and the stock one leaves the exhaust back into the engine, so now we're getting rid of that. So, it should run smoother, so let's get into it.
There comes the intercooler pipe.
That was not hard to take off. Where do you want it at?
I was just showing it to you so you can take a picture of it. The hand comes in there.
The throttle body's right there, ain't it?
No, there's no throttle body on this.
Then what's that then? Just an intake valve?
No, that's an EGR valve.
Oh.
Just don't set it there. Set it on the ground if you're done looking at it. Don't set it on the concrete either. There's antifreeze on it. It puts exhaust back in the motor.
Why would it do that?
Emissions.
Oh. Now that the stock inner pipe cooler is off, now it's time to enter the straight piped intercooler pipe. This is the intercooler pipe. Comes right down here, goes in there, and comes right out here. That's what we just took off. So this thing right here is where the guy who never took this off, that's why we're putting the intercooler pipe in here. So it's deleted, but now it's tuned deleted for real this time.
Sensors are on there. They've already been disconnected. There's another clamp. The clamp's got to go in there.
Now it is time for us to put the intercooler pipe back on. Is he gonna make it run smoother?
It's supposed to. It's supposed to cool down the EGTs, but we'll see if that even works. Who knows?
Now we're tightening down the intercooler pipe, but we're not tightening it all the way because we had to adjust it to the intercooler piping that comes off the intercooler to that pipe we're putting back on now, the deleted pipe. And there was a little bit, we had to take the intercooler off. We'll undo it and then pull back some. See, I was struggling right there to put it back on. But yeah, let's do it. So now we got the intercooler pipe back together. Now we're adjusting the clamps. We have one clamp on, and now we're tightening the intercooler pipe, the deleted intercooler pipe, all the way down. Then we put the other clamp on, and we're done. Okay, now these are put back on. Alright, there you have it. We just got that back in. That's what it looks like. And we just got the intercooler back screwed in. There we go. It's starting. If it starts. Why does it sound louder? It sounds way louder. Does it not? Also, before I end this video off, this is how you replace the windshield wiper on a Ford Explorer. This is a 22. So see this thing right here? Literally, all you gotta do is pull this forwards, push it forwards, and then pull it down, and it pops right out. So yeah, there you guys go. We'll wrap today's video up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let me show you how my dad's new wheel bearing, if we can even. But yeah, there we go. There's a new wheel bearing brake radiator. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya. Peace. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.